Hello everybody, today I'm gonna check if they'll release the new BIOS for us. As I'm waiting for a long time for this new BIOS. Right now, I'm not able to use my new 5 series AMD 5 series CPU. So right now I'm check the new BIOS for my PC. You see, they didn't release a new BIOS for us. What? So, okay, if they don't release, I will build my new PC. Let's go. Hello everybody, how are you? I'm back. As you know, these days, before I bought the Dell Aurora R10 editions, that's the Ryzen 3700. But what I bought this PC purpose for upgrade the 5 series in the future, but I found that Dell still not released the new BIOS versions for this PC. So my so so my 5 series CPU is still live along here. So today I decided to build my custom PC, because I don't know when the Dell released the BIOS version for this. So yeah, that's a little bit disappointing for me. So I decided to pre-build my custom PC today. So I just share this video. Actually, I'm long time no build my custom PC. Previous, so busy, so I always buy the brand new PC. But today I'm gonna build my custom PC and hope it works good. To be get the lucky to finish it my work. All right, right now I'm gonna start work to build my own PC right now. So this is my motherboard. I bought the TUF Gaming X570 plus Wi-Fi versions. And alright, let me see that. Because this is Wi-Fi version, so there is, alright, here is a manual. Here is an antenna here. Okay, we'll use this one. And what is this? Here is the back panel and SATA cable, and this is screw. Why there is only 2 screws here? Right. Okay. Nothing others. Alright, I wanna work for this. I wanna install the CPU. This is new BIOS, new motherboard, and looks very good. Alright, I need to install the CPU firstly. Actually, gonna be careful. I always it's really nervous because if you be careful for this pin, otherwise it's easy to break broken your CPU pin. And this one, it's right. Ryzen5. Can you see? And here is, you need to line this here, triangle here. All right. It's really long time no the build, so might be a lot of things. I forgot a lot of things. So right now I need to install the CPU fans. So it's already, this is the original fans. I just use the original fan firstly, because I don't want to overclock CPU, maybe overclock memory, but in the future, yeah, depends on the condition. I will change this CPU fan to the water cooler, but right now I use original one firstly. So there is already the summer pass in here, so you just put install is good. But firstly I need to screw remove the here is the hands for CPU fan, so I need to remove this firstly. Actually very easy, I think, but somebody said my motherboard is overkill because of, I think I can use the B550 motherboard, but I found B550 motherboard is the price is the same with the X. Price the same as this motherboard, so I choose this one because the price say the same, and I think 570 will be better because this motherboard can support a lot of PCIe 4.0, so maybe in the future I can upgrade the higher CPU and higher NVMe HD something like that. Alright, so right now I will put the CPU fans here. I think you don't need, there is no any film here, right? Yes, no. This is just Summerfest. So, okay, I will, yeah, right. Like how to install is good like this. No, I will install here. Alright. Then you need to screw. And just why this one is not slow? This one is, looks like a problem. It's a problem. Done. Alright, a little bit tight is good. You don't need more pressure. Might be broken the screw, so must be careful. So we'll here. Okay, good. And second, what are you gonna do?都点完了，然后呢？
这是我这次做的。
嗯？
这是我这次做的。
是啊。等一下，我在录这个视频，录完了一会儿再看。OK。My son coming to say he finished coding class because he's learning coding right now. I said I have no time right now because I'll install this one and we'll see later. And next we're gonna install the memory. This is the XPG memory, XPG RGB memory stick, and it's 16 gigabytes and 3600 megahertz. And what I buy this one is because of it is very cheap. I think a lot of people said might be G-Skill or Corsair will be stable. Yeah, but also the price is very expensive, so I just bought this one to see if it works or not. If there is any problem, I think I can change the other brand in the future. So this one is the XPG. The XPG chip use the data. That's the micron, I think. Right. This memory stick here, and I need to install this. Install here. Why this is so? Oh, here is. Oh, this one is not. Oh, only. Okay. So right now memory stick is only one side is working. Oh, this is my first time to experience. It's different as before. But why? Right. Okay. And next one. And then right now I need to install the hard drive. So here is my hard drive. It is from my other. Alright, this worked. Oh, a little bit. Oh, a little bit cool. I think I should install this one first. Oh. So you're gonna first install this screw. I think if you have this one. Alright, so just I think sometimes I think we don't just in case I think here might be you don't we don't need to screw here because there is a cover we'll put down here, but just in case we'll screw firstly. There you go. Okay, that's good. All right, now, oops. Oh well, install the heat sink. Okay. All right. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. This is the backside panel. So I think, is there any others? Okay, so I think the motherboard, the CPU, the part of the motherboard work is good and it's finished. I think right now I need to install the PC case. So I just put this one here firstly. This one. This is a Summertop TT P3 and very heavy. Oops. Wow. Okay.